The Biotech 12-pack is more than just a series of video lectures. It also has a first-in-class resource, Biotech Toolboxes. Biotech Toolboxes will help you acquire knowledge you can actually use. This includes the vocabulary and the conceptual understanding needed to become proactive in any relevant project or discussion. Each Biotech Toolbox contains the following modules. Use the right words. A module to help you use the right words and avoid confusing terms with precise definitions, synonyms, and antonyms. Why is it important? A module to help you understand how different stakeholders interpret the same scientific facts. Key questions. A module that lists essential questions you can ask any expert. It will help you filter out unnecessary complexity and focus on what really matters. The important unknowns. A module that will empower you to have more insightful interactions with experts. What's in the future? A module that explores promising innovations that may become the pillars of precision medicine. And of course, a Test Your Knowledge module. I am certain that you will find the Biotech Toolboxes a valuable resource. I'm Vanya LaRoche, precision medicine educator and science storyteller.